Hi guys, Steve up the property, and this week we're going to do some temporary road repair. Now, this is my driveway, and right there is my house, and right there, telephone pole, well, utility pole to carry the electric lines. Now, what we did was we trenched from that pole to my house right there, and well, as you can see, they made a mess of my driveway, but they did the trenching, passed inspection, and they, buried it, filled it back in. They used a really wide bucket. I don't think I would have. It was probably 2 foot, 3 foot, maybe not 3 feet, but a wide bucket. I probably would have gone with the 12-inch bucket, but that's me. So they left a pile of gravel. I imagine when they come to do the rest of the work, they have to backfill around the foundation of the house too. They'll fix this. But in the meantime, what happened is I had the electrician who mounted the box. I'll turn you around so you see what I'm talking about. See, in the corner of the house, the arrow's pointing to the utility box where the electricity comes into the house. So when the electrician came to install that panel, first of all, he put it in the wrong one. Then he put in a new one, which is correct. And now we gotta fill this back in because the electrician got stuck. Well, I said it was temporary. Not the greatest machine operator, so I would appreciate if you didn't beat me up in the comments. This was only done so that when people come to work on the house, they won't get stuck. So it's not that bad. I'll check it out with the truck before I leave, but I think it'll be serviceable until they come to actually finish the job. I mean, they got all the materials here, just, it's not their house, so they don't feel compelled to be in any sort of a rush. But, when people come in here to do stuff, I need to progress and move forward to finish my house. They can't be getting stuck in the driveway, I can't imagine. Can you imagine this electrician coming, finishing that panel, and then getting stuck right here? And he's got to shove plywood in the ruts to try to get out. It's crazy. All right, guys, I appreciate you tagging along with me this week. I'll catch you next time.